Have you ever woken up to your Ford completely dead, even though nothing was left on? No lights, no doors open, no warning, and yet your battery is flat again. Here's the truth most Ford owners never hear. Your truck is not randomly dying. It's slowly draining itself overnight because of hidden factory settings running in the background. And today I'll show you 7 stupid Ford settings quietly killing your battery while your truck just sits parked. Before we start, subscribe now so you don't miss more real fixes like this. Number 1. Ford Pass Always Connected, Hidden Drain. Let's start with one of the biggest silent killers, Ford Pass connectivity. It sounds harmless. Remote start, lock, unlock, vehicle status, all from your phone. But here's the problem, your truck never fully sleeps. Even when parked, it keeps checking Ford servers for commands. That means the telematics module is always half awake. And this is where it gets bad. On older or weak batteries, this constant checking in slowly drains power overnight. Leave it for a few days and your truck might not even start. Fix it. Go into Sync Settings, Connected Vehicle, and Reduce Connectivity Mode. Simple change. Big difference. Number 2. Wi-Fi hotspot left on. Now this one surprises almost everyone. Your Ford's built-in Wi-Fi hotspot? It keeps broadcasting even when you're not inside the truck. That means your vehicle is literally acting like a mini router 24/7. Sounds cool until you hear this. That constant signal prevents sync from fully entering sleep mode. So your battery keeps feeding a system you're not even using. Over time it adds up. Fix it. Turn off Wi-Fi hotspot when not needed. Sync connectivity Wi-Fi hotspot OFF, turn it on only when driving. Number 3. Voice wake/hands-free listening. This one feels harmless, but it's not. Your Ford listens for voice commands like, "Hey Ford," or wake phrases. That means your microphone system is never fully off. Think about that. Even when your truck is parked, it's still listening. That constant standby mode uses power every second your vehicle is off. Fix it. Sync voice settings, hands-free activation off. You can still use voice by pressing the button. No loss, just less drain. Quick question. Have you ever replaced your Ford battery even though the truck isn't that old? Comment yes or no. I want to see how common this really is. And if you're still watching, subscribe, because the worst drains are still coming. Number 4. Automatic software updates, hidden night activity. Ford really pushes this feature as a premium upgrade experience. Over-the-air updates sound amazing on paper. Your truck improves itself, just like a smartphone. No dealership visits. No waiting rooms. No hassle. But here's what they don't clearly explain. Your Ford doesn't wait for you to manually update it. It actively checks for updates in the background, and most of the time that happens at night when the vehicle is parked and doing nothing. Now here's where the real issue starts. When your truck checks for updates, it doesn't just send a quick message. It wakes up multiple systems at once. The sync infotainment processor, the cellular modem, background diagnostic systems, and sometimes even network authentication modules. And this is where most people get it completely wrong. They think it's just checking. But in reality, your truck temporarily shifts from a sleep state into an active communication mode. And when that happens, power usage jumps. During actual update downloads, the system can stay active for extended periods. Sometimes 10, 20, or even 40 minutes depending on file size and signal strength. That means your truck is sitting completely still, engine off, lights off, but internally it's working like it's partially awake. Now if your battery is brand new, you probably won't notice anything. But if your battery is even slightly older, colder weather hits, or the truck hasn't been driven much, that extra overnight load becomes a problem. It's not a single big drain, it's a slow, repeated stress cycle. Every night your truck checks, wakes up, uses power, then goes back to sleep. Over time, that adds up and quietly weakens the battery. And this is why so many owners get confused. They replace the battery, and the issue comes back months later. Because the real cause was never fixed. Fix it. Go into your sync system. Sync settings, software updates, switch to manual. That's it. Now your truck stops doing surprise nighttime downloads. You control when updates happen. Ideally when the engine is running, so the alternator handles the load instead of your battery. Simple change. Big long-term difference. Number 5. Extended sync activity mode, silent power trap. The setting sounds harmless. Almost every owner ignores it because the name doesn't sound dangerous at all. Extended vehicle activity, or keep sync running. In simple terms, it allows your sync system to stay active after you turn the truck off. usually for about 30 to 45 minutes. And yes, it was designed for convenience. You park at a tailgate, want to keep music playing, or finish navigation tasks without restarting the system. On paper it's useful. But here's the problem. Most people forget it's even on. And when it stays enabled without you realizing it, your truck doesn't fully shut down the way you think it does. Instead, the sync system continues running in the background after ignition off. Display stays active internally. Processor stays partially loaded. Audio system remains powered. Communication modules stay awake. So every time you park your truck, you're not getting a full shutdown. You're getting a delayed shutdown every single time. Now imagine doing that once or twice a day. Over weeks and months, that becomes a consistent pattern of extra battery drain. Not massive in one go, but constant. And this is the sneaky part, because it doesn't feel broken. Everything looks normal. But your battery is quietly doing extra work every day without you realizing it. And when winter hits or the battery ages slightly, that extra load becomes the reason your truck struggles to start. Fix it. Go to Sync General Settings, Extended Vehicle Activity Off. Unless you specifically use it for events or long stops, turn it off. Your truck will still function exactly the same, just without unnecessary post-shutdown drain. Number 6. Bluetooth Device Memory Polling Hidden Constant Wake Up. This one is one of the most overlooked drains in the entire sync system, because it doesn't feel like a feature. Feels like basic connectivity. But behind the scenes, your Ford is constantly managing your phone connection even when the truck is parked. Here's what's happening. When your phone is paired, sync stores your device identity, contact, call history, connection preferences, and to keep everything ready, the system keeps scanning for your phone even when you're not inside the vehicle. That means your truck periodically wakes up its Bluetooth system while parked. And here's where it gets worse. Every time your phone comes near the vehicle, sync doesn't just connect. It triggers a full resync process. That includes checking device priority, refreshing contacts, updating call logs, re-establishing connection protocols. All of that requires processing power and Bluetooth activity. Now again, each event is small. But it's not about one event. It's about repetition. Day after day. Night after night. Especially if you live close to your parking spot, like at home or work, your truck may be repeatedly waking up just to check for your phone. That's constant micro-drain on the battery. And this is why people never connect the dots. Because nothing feels wrong until one morning the truck just doesn't start. Fix it. Go into Sync Bluetooth Settings. Turn off Automatic Contact Download, Automatic Device Polling. Then simply connect manually when you enter the vehicle. Yes, it adds 2 to 3 seconds, but it removes constant background activity your battery doesn't need. Number 7. Sync Background System Stay Alive Mode. This is the biggest silent drain of all. Even when everything looks OFF, sync itself never fully shuts down. What? Because Ford keeps it partially active so it can boot faster next time. But there's a cost. That always-ready system draws small power continuously from your battery. Not enough to notice in one night, but enough to kill weak batteries over time. Fix. You can't fully disable it, but you can reduce load by turning off all the features above so sync has less work running in the background. Here's the truth. None of these features alone will kill your battery overnight. Go through all 7 settings this weekend and turn off what you don't need. Your truck will still work exactly the same, just without the hidden drain. If this helped you, subscribe now. And drop a comment telling me which of these settings was on in your Ford right now. Let's see how many people are actually affected by this. Because I can tell you one thing, it's way more than you think. See you in the next one.